Welcome back to the second part of our video, Mr. Nobody. So, children, we had seen how Mr. Nobody, in the first two paragraphs, we had seen how the poet tells about Mr. Nobody. How, as quietly as a mouse, he does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. And no one sees his face. Yet we all agree that every plate was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So there are the line of mischiefs that is done. All the plates were cracked by Mr. Nobody. It is he who tears the books. It is he who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. The squeaking door will always squeak, for it is he who was told to oil the door, but he forgot to do it. And all the mischief are the blame is put on Mr. Nobody. So this is it. Now we come to our next paragraph. He puts damp wood upon the fire. So first of all, I will tell you the meanings of the words and then I will give you a explanation. He puts damp wood upon the fire. Now what is damp wood? Damp wood over here is wet wood. Wood that is slightly wet, not fully wet but slightly wet. So when we put damp wood upon the fire, what happens? The fire does not burn. अगर हम देखेंगे कि गीली लकड़ियों पे हमने केटल में पानी रखा है तो क्या वो बॉयल करेगा? नहीं, वो नहीं बॉयल करेगा. His are the feet that bring in mud and the carpets soil. Now what is soil? Soil means dirty. Soil means dirty. Okay. The papers always are mislaid. Mislaid means forgot where one put something. Mislaid means not put in proper place. And who had them last? So mislaid, and after that we have there's no one who tosses them about. Now the meaning of tosses over here is to throw something casually. For example, you toss a ball, है ना? You toss it, you throw it, and similarly when you read a paper and you just throw it about, will you be able to find it where you had kept it? So now let us come to it. See what it is. He puts damp wood upon the fire. Now who is he over here? He is being referred to Mr. Nobody. तो यहाँ पे मिस्टर नोबडी के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि ही पुट्स डैम्प वुड, गीली लकड़ियों को वो फायर में डाल देता है. दैट केटल्स कैनॉट बॉयल. तो अगर हम गीली लकड़ियों आग में डालेंगे तो क्या केटल्स बॉयल करेंगे? नहीं बॉयल करेंगे. हिज आर द फीट दैट ब्रिंग इन मड. तो हुज आर द फीट? It is Mr. Nobody. His are the feet. So who is Mr. Nobody over here? It can be anyone in the house. It can be you or a kid in the house. So when he comes inside the house with muddy feet, पैरों में मिट्टी लगे हुए रहेंगे, और उसके बाद and all the carpet soil, if he walks on the carpet with muddy feet, मड लगे हुए पैरों से, then what will happen? The carpets will get soiled, dirty. The papers always are mislaid. As we have seen, mislaid means thrown about casually. The papers always are mislaid. Why are the papers always mislaid? Because after reading it, they are tossed about anywhere and everywhere. They are not put in proper place. So what happens when the papers are not put in proper place? The whom is the blame put on? Who had them last but he? Who had them last? Why are the papers mislaid? Because it was Mr. Nobody who had them, who read them last, and he put it casually. There's no one tosses them about but Mr. Nobody. So what did he do? He read the paper and he threw it anywhere casually. So what happens if we want to look for some article which we have read or something we want to find? Will we be able to find it? No. Why? Because the papers are tossed casually, they are thrown about, and then it is very difficult to find the paper. So now we come to the explanation. So here we are, it is Mr. Nobody. Usually what happens, the kid does all the mischief inside the house, and he always tries to put the blame on something else or someone so that he does not get the scolding. This is human nature, because we see it is common in every house, most of the household. What happens? Most of the children, they do the mischief and they say, I have not done it, put the blame on Mr. Nobody. But they have all been done by you or the little kids. So he puts damp wood upon the fire so that kettles does not boil, and he comes into the house with muddy or dirty feet, enters the house with muddy feet so that the carpets become dirty, and after that, after reading the newspaper or the papers, what does he do? He tosses them about, throws them wherever he feels like. So what happens? They are always mislaid. So who was the one who read the paper last? It was you children, and you had tossed them about or thrown it casually, so that what happened? You cannot find what was required. So the papers were mislaid. It is he who puts them. So again we see the recurring phenomena where we see that all the mistakes that were done were blamed by Mr. Nobody. So now we come to our next paragraph. Here we are. The finger marks upon the door, sorry. So in the picture we can see here. So here is the picture, the first paragraph. We see the door were left ajar, plates were broken, books were being torn, pins were thrown, and there was damp wood so that kettles could not boil. And here we see the finger marks upon the door. We see on the door there is the finger marks, and then this is spilled ink, and over here the boots are all lying scattered. So here we are, the finger marks upon the door. As we had seen, the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed. So we come to blinds. Now what are blinds? This is blind. Blinds, the meaning of blind is a window shade that can be rolled up and down. So this is the blind, it can be rolled up and down. Okay, so that is the blind. And after that, to let the curtains fade. So if that blind was left open, what would happen? The curtains inside, they would fade. The ink we never spill, as we had seen in the picture. The ink was spilled over here. So who is being told that the ink is being spilled? So here the children are saying, the ink we never spill, the boots that lying around, you see all the boots here, we see lying around. The children, they are saying it is not our boots. So here we are. They belong to Mr. Nobody. So the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. So when we enter the house, parents tell us to wash our hands and feet before entering the house so that they are clean. But over here, the finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. The children are saying, we have not made the finger marks. When they enter the house, जब घर में बच्चे गंदे हाथ से आते हैं और दरवाजे पे हाथ रखते हैं, तो a mark is made on the door, just as we see over here, the mark on the door here. So this mark is made on the door. By none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed. So parents ask to close the blinds so that the curtains do not fade. Fade means lose their color. So we see that the finger marks upon the door, तो बच्चे कह रहे हैं by none of us are made, हमने नहीं बनाया है. We never leave the blinds unclosed, और हम लोग भूलते नहीं हैं blinds को close करना. To let the curtains fade, ताकि curtains जो है पर्दे वो उनका रंग हल्का हो जाए. The ink we never spill, और ना ही हम लोग ink को spill करते हैं. The boots that lying around you see, तो जो boots इधर उधर बिखरे पड़े हैं वो हमारी boots नहीं हैं, are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. किसके boots हैं? Mr. Nobody के. So all the things Mr. Nobody actually is all of us you children who forget to do certain things that should not be doing and blame it on Mr. Nobody. For example, the finger marks upon the door are made by none of us, and by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed, not to enter the house without cleaning our hands. We never leave the blinds unclosed. So we don't forget to leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. So it is the children who are asked to close the blinds, but they forget and they blame it on Mr. Nobody. The ink we never spill. The ink should be used very cautiously. बहुत सावधानी से इंक का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर असावधानी होती है तो क्या होते हैं, वो गिर जाते हैं. तो बच्चे क्या कहते हैं? द इंक वी नेवर स्पिल, हम लोगों ने नहीं गिराया. इट हैज़ द बूट्स लाइंग अराउंड यू सी, द बूट्स आर नॉट आवर बूट्स. और क्या कहते हैं कि तो बूट्स जो इधर उधर दे आर नॉट पुट इन प्लेस, ये हमारे बूट्स नहीं हैं. दे ऑल बिलोंग टू Mr. Nobody. So we see in this paragraph over here in the poem, it is very ironical how the way the poem has been written. It is almost funny the way the poem has been written, because the examples are shown. They point out to every house where most children around the house do the mischief that parents tell them not to do, but they always end up doing, and often all these mischief are blamed on Mr. Nobody. तो सभी घरों की बात है, हर घर में कुछ ना कुछ पेरेंट्स जो हैं कहते हैं बच्चों से करने के लिए, रूल्स फॉलो करने के लिए, लेकिन वो बच्चे जब भूल जाते हैं तो वो अपनी इन गलतियों का श्रेय किसे देते हैं? मिस्टर नोबडी के ऊपर दे देते हैं. तो सारे मिस्चिफ जो है मिस्टर नोबडी के ऊपर दे दिया जाता है. Who is Mr. Nobody? Mr. Nobody is actually all of us. Us, the kids who forget to do certain things that should be done, but when they forget, they put the blame on Mr. Nobody. So this is the poem, children. I hope you understood it and you liked it. Thank you, children.